Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi, today we will discuss about the navigation method in Selenium WebDriver. This is a very short video, but it is very important for the interview purpose as well as for those who are looking for the Java and Selenium concept. In this video, we will see what is navigation method in the Selenium WebDriver and what are the methods available in that. We have around 4 methods. 2 method, refresh method, back method and the forward method. And also in this video we'll learn what's the difference between the get URL and the navigate to URL, because both will act as same, but what are the differences also we'll discuss, and how we can refresh and reload the pages, and how to navigate to the back end forward. For example, let me open one website, that is www.protectwith.com. In this example, here this is the back button and this is the forward button and this is the refresh button. In this video we'll launch the application through the navigate command, and again through the navigate command we'll click on the back button, and again we'll click on the forward button, and finally we will click on the refresh button also. Okay, so or refresh or reload button. So let me open the Eclipse. Here I have added code for the Chrome driver launch, driver.get. So this one usually you will use while launching the URL, right? So similarly we have a navigation method here in the Selenium WebDriver, that is driver.navigate. In the interview definitely they will ask what is navigate here. Navigate is the interface. See, there are back method is available in the navigation interface, and forward also there. And also we can see refresh and also the two. There are two here, again overloaded method available here. Let me take this URL protectbase.com. So let me, the double quote, let me use this one. Okay, so what it does, it is launching the browser exactly like driver.get URL. Okay, so next what I do, let me use some thread or slip, because just I want to make some pause here. So 5 seconds I am waiting. After that, let me use some of each line of code. Let me add this thread dot sleep. So what I do next driver dot. Hi guys, today in this video we'll discuss about navigation methods in the Selenium WebDriver. There we have under navigation there are multiple methods available, that is 2 method, refresh method, back button and forward method. We'll discuss one by one in this video, and also in this video we'll learn about what's the difference between driver.get URL and driver.navigate to URL. Okay, this also we'll discuss, and also we'll discuss about how to refresh the page and how to click on the back and forward button in the web page. Web page in the sense, let me open one web page. Let me open protectbase.com. In this video we'll launch the application through the navigate command, and again through the navigate command we'll click on the back button, and again we'll click on the forward button, and finally we will click on the refresh button also. Okay, so or refresh or reload button. Okay, I have launched this Eclipse. Launching Chrome browser already I have defined here. So let me go back. So in order to launch the application, what we should do, driver.get. So this is actually usually we do this. So instead of this the Selenium also provides one more option, like we can also launch the application by driver.navigate.to. So with this also we can able to launch the application. Let me copy the URL here. I will paste it over here. Just I have added some thread dot slip, because just I want to make sure that we can able to see the how the navigation takes place. Because what I will do here, first I will launch the application, next I will wait for 5 seconds, and then I will go to click on this back button. Okay, then I will again wait for the 5 seconds. Let me click on this forward button, then finally at last I will wait for 5 seconds, and finally I will click on this refresh button. Okay, this is what our intentions. We'll see how it works. Okay, so what I do now, driver.find element. So this is already done. Driver.navigate. So as we can see in the navigate, we have different method available here. We have the back button available, we have a forward button available, and also refresh button. and two method here. There are two. It is a overloaded method. So now, as I already used this two, it is launching the browser. Now what I should do, the my intention is to click on this backward button, right? So what I do now, .back. Okay, then I will wait for 5 more seconds here, because I want to make sure that it is working properly or not. That's why I'm keep on waiting 5 seconds just to demonstration purpose. I need to use the forward button, .forward. Okay, it is clicked on forward button now. Okay, finally I need to go for the refresh. So instead of this forward, so let me remove some unwanted thing here. Okay, finally let me refresh the page. So here I need to accept some of the error declarations I have done. Okay, so what I did here, just I launched the application. Now I have navigated to the URL. Here just I clicked on the back button and forward button. After 5 seconds I'm clicking on the forward button. Next, after 5 seconds I'm clicking on the refresh button. So first it will launch this application, then it will click on the forward button here as per the code. Then it will click forward button. After 5 second wait, so it will click on the refresh button. This is what our intention. So we'll see whether it works or not. Let me run this program and we'll see. Let me run this program. It is launched the browser, Chrome browser, as we defined. Now it is trying to launch the application, that is www.productbridge.com. Yeah, it is launched now. Now as per our code, we put 5 second wait. So it is wait for the 5 second. After that only it will go for the back. It will click on back button now. After waiting the 5 second, see, it's clicked on the back button. It clicked on forward button. Finally it is refreshing the page. See, it is refreshing the page now. So hope you understood this, why we are using the how the navigation will take place in Selenium WebDriver using the. So again here, as per the entry point of view, here the navigate is the interface. Okay, it is not a class or something. Okay, they will ask, it's a navigation is the interface, and interface has some of the method like back method and forward button and refresh method available. Now as we discussed, the last point is what is the difference between this get URL and what is the navigate to get URL. What's the difference here? Okay, either both will work as same, like it is launching the browser. The first one, what it does, so if I use the same thing here, copy and paste, this will also launch the same productbridge.com, and this also will the same, it will launch the same application. But the difference is, once it launched the application, in order to proceed for the next statement, right, in order to proceed for the, suppose assume like I didn't add anything here. Suppose assume like I have used driver.get to launch the application. In this case, once the application get launched, the control will go to the next statement only when the productbridge.com, once completely all the elements are loaded in the same page, then only control will move to the next statement. But in case of navigate, once it launched to the application, control will immediately go to the next statement. It is not waiting for the all the elements to be loaded in the same page. I will repeat, in driver.get, if I use once the page application is launched, so it will controller won't go to the next statement. Once all the elements got loaded completely, then only it will go to the next statement to execute. But in case of driver.navigate to, once the application get launched, the controller will go to the next statement immediately. It is not waiting for all the element to be loaded in the same page. Yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any doubt regarding the navigation method in the Selenium WebDriver, you please put it in comment section, so I will clear your doubt. And finally, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button. Please share this video with your friends, those who are looking for the Java and Selenium concept. And also please don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos. Thank you.